everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. Today I'm collaborating with 5 other ladies and we're going to bring you guys some Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. The ladies that I'm collaborating with are Kat from According to Kat, and she was the one who organized this whole collaboration, so thank you so much, Kat, for getting us all together. Kristen from KRISTIN Kay, Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine, Nicole from The Week's Nest, and Jennifer from A Little Bit of Calm and Crazy. I love watching all of these ladies. They are some of my favorite DIYers. If you don't know who they are, their channels are linked down below in my description box. Go check them out. There's a playlist for our collaboration, also linked in the description box, and you can click on that and watch all of our videos back to back. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'd love to have you stick around by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Now, for my Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs, I'm going to be making some Christmas signs. So let's get started. For the first sign, I'm going to be reusing this pumpkin patch sign that I made from Dollar Tree items a few months ago. If you watched that video, you may remember that I said, wouldn't it be cute if this was a double-sided sign and the back was for Christmas and the front was for fall? Well, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn it over and take the hangers out and paint the back white. For the pumpkin patch sign, I used 6 of these yard stake signs from Dollar Tree to frame out my sign, but it's actually more cost effective to buy a 1 by 2 by 8 foot furring strip for 98 cents at Home Depot, and either you cut it or have them cut it for you. And that is what I did. I cut mine into 4 pieces here, and then I stained it with my Briar Smoke stain. Once the stain was dry, I just attached the 2 long pieces of wood with some hot glue to the 2 long sides of the board. And you could use wood glue instead of hot glue, but I love hot glue. It works for me, so that is what I used. And then after the long pieces were attached, I attached the 2 shorter pieces to the 2 shorter sides in between the 2 long sides. Again, just using hot glue. Next, to make my sign Christmassy, I'm using the red truck from Dollar Tree. I can't believe they have these out this year. I love how they look. The only thing is I don't like the glitter Merry Christmas. So I sanded that down, and then I just took my paint pen and I just went over the letters that were there after I got all the glitter off and just traced that with my black paint pen. Now I'm going to use these LED lights from Dollar Tree. They're battery operated, and I'm going to put them in my Christmas tree just by drilling 10 holes in the Christmas tree, just wherever I would like them. I had no rhyme or reason where I was placing the holes. And then I'm just going to insert the lights through the back of the Christmas tree, so that way when you turn it over, the Christmas tree lights up. Okay, so for the battery pack, I hot glued it down to the back of the truck. And then I'm going to take this little piece of scrap wood that I had. You could use a Jenga block or whatever to make this stand up a little bit taller. But to be able to get the batteries out and change them, I'm thinking you are going to need some hook and loop fasteners, I hope you guys know what I'm talking about, to attach to the piece of wood and to the back of the battery pack. So that way you can pull the truck off and change the batteries. Now I just use hot glue because I didn't want to go back to the store and I didn't have any hook and loop fasteners, so I will have to switch that out later on. And then I just hot glued the truck to the middle of the sign. Next, I used some of these poster letter stickers in black to spell out Farm Fresh, and then I spelled out Christmas trees on a curve with these stickers as well. I think this would look super cute with the red stickers if you spelled out Christmas trees with the red and then Farm Fresh with the black, but I didn't have those, so I didn't do that. And then I had this arrow from Dollar Tree. It's got like a self-adhesive back. I just painted it green and applied it with some hot glue in between the truck and the lettering. I used the smaller letter stickers from Dollar Tree to spell out the words pine, spruce, and fir at the bottom of the sign, and then I took some red paint and painted 2 dots in between those words, and I think this sign is so cute. For the second Christmas sign, I'm going to be using one of these banners I got from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure what to call it. I just removed the little twine on it to hang it, and I'm going to give the front of the banner 2 coats of white chalk paint. So for some reason, I didn't hit record when I was trying to show you guys how I transferred the wording on to my banner. So what I did, I'll just kind of quickly show you here. This is a printout that I made on canva.com. I flipped it over and I shaded the words on the back of the paper with my pencil, and then I flipped it back over onto the banner and I just traced over those words so that way the pencil markings would show on the banner. And then I just traced those words with a Sharpie. Next, I used these stencils from Dollar Tree that have reindeer on them, and I stenciled 2 reindeer onto the middle of the sign in between the words. I just lightly coated my brush with some paint, and then I came back with my Sharpie and wrote 5 cents each in between the reindeer. Then I found some of this greenery that came off of one of those white bells from Dollar Tree around Christmas time last year, and I just attached it to the top of the sign and then reattached some twine for a hanger, and I love how this came out. For the last sign, I'm going to use one of these Beware signs from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to flip it over and use the back. So this could technically be a reversible sign as well. And I just painted a coat of black paint onto the back of this. Next, I took those same poster letters from Dollar Tree and I spelled out the word welcome on the middle of the sign, and I left the O out because I'm going to do something different with that. Now you're probably wondering why I am putting black letters onto a black sign that I just painted, but I'm actually going to use these letters as stencils, so I'm going to paint over them so that way the black shows through. I just wanted a painted look instead of the sticker look, so that's why I am doing it this way. Next, I took my white chalk paint and I painted over the whole sign. I didn't do a heavy coat, so some of the black still showed through because I wanted to make this look weathered and old and farmhousey, so I didn't mind that the black showed through a little bit. Once the paint was pretty much dry, I came back and carefully removed the letter stickers from the sign to reveal the black letters. Now for the O, I'm going to use one of these red truck ornaments from Dollar Tree, just removing the hanger, and the truck actually kind of like sits up off of the sign with the tree on it, so I removed the tree and just glued down the truck, and then I used some wire cutters to snip the excess wire on the tree and then glue the tree down separately to the truck bed, if that makes sense. And then I came back with some sandpaper and I lightly sanded the edges and around the welcome, so that way it would kind of give it more of a rustic look and it wouldn't look streaky or anything like that. And then I used some twine to wrap around both ends of the sign. I just hot glued it down on the back and then I just wrapped it to finish it off. And I think that kind of gave it a really cute farmhouse look and it finished it off really nicely. I really think this is a simple, cute sign for Christmas. For watching today. I hope you enjoyed these Dollar Tree Christmas DIY signs. Make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. And don't forget to check out the other ladies in this collaboration by clicking on that playlist linked down below in the description box. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.